So before I came to Burbank Dental Lab, I've worked for a number of years. I'd say it's 25 years, I'd say, in two small dental laboratories. And I started from the ground up, from basic model department, waxing, finishing, to ceramist, learning the CAD/CAM applications, and doing Emacs, Empress. So got a little touch of everything there, a little bit of experience with it. And at that point, I think the digital era was just beginning, so it was still more or less in the infant stage. But when I got here, that's when I got a lot more educated. Been at Burbank Dental Lab for, I would say, 5 years now. One of my main strengths is communicating and being able to get a case in production and being able to communicate what the patient or doctor's needs are to our staff. I really enjoy working with our clients because a lot of these clients I'm communicating on a weekly or sometimes daily basis. So you begin to form a team, more or less, and our common goal is to make the patient satisfied in the end. So it's really gratifying to see a case start from the very beginning. You'll see it where they have really eroded dentition, and the final stage where doctor or an assistant, they'll call back and mention, oh, you guys did a beautiful job, patient's so happy, and that makes it all worthwhile to see something like that occur. A lot of these cases that we do are life-changing events where a lot of these people maybe had eroded teeth or didn't have any teeth, and to see them have a lot more confidence and feel so good about themselves, it's very rewarding in that aspect.